Hi you all, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. As you may have already guessed from the title and probably why you clicked on this video, I have been trying out new affordable range skincare products and I spoke about it on my Instagram stories as well. I did want to give it at least a few weeks before I tried the products and then made a video about it for you guys. And also work from home has taken a toll on a lot of us with work going on 24/7 with no really work timings. It's got a little difficult for us to take care of our skin, to go to salons and pamper our skins a little bit. Plus going to dermatologists is also not possible all the time and their virtual consultations can get a little bit expensive. I came across Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals here was that my go-to salon over here, the only salon that I trust here in Riva, they sent me a link which was for virtual consultation with skin experts of Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. So I wanted to give it a try, it intrigued me and I made sure that I vlogged about it so that I can share it with you guys and you could try it too if you liked. So I'm quickly going to take you guys a few weeks back and show you how the consultation went. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Good afternoon, I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good. So I'm Ankita, your Cheryl skincare expert.
So once I booked my virtual consultation, a skin specialist reached out to me via WhatsApp and then on a pre-decided time, we had the video call. Now my consultation lasted about 20 to 25 minutes, but it really depends on how many queries you have for your skin expert. So she asked me a set of questions that helped her establish the skin type I have, the skin concerns that I'm dealing with, any medications that I'm on, or any other health issues that I may have that are impacting my skin. So once all those questions were answered by me, she decided on the skin type that I have, which is oily to combination and acne prone as well. And basis on that, she recommended me 3 products. Now I also had some other skincare queries related to if makeup, harms my skin, causes more pimples and all of that, which she happily answered. So if you have any skin related queries apart from the products that you want to ask her that you should try out, feel free to ask the skin expert that. Now out of the 3 products that were recommended to me, the first one was the Cleansema face wash. The major ingredients in this are salicylic acid, tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil. Now most of us with an oily skin type, we tend to use foaming face washes. I do that and those leave your skin feeling very stretchy and dry, but this one, which is actually meant for oily skin, it does not do that. So it does the job perfectly well of reducing the oil or the sebum production on your face, but it does not make it feel stretchy at all. And the best part about what I love about this face wash is that once you wash your face wash off, it leaves a very cooling feeling and effect on your face, which I absolutely love. And the price point for this is just rupees 265 and I think it is totally worth the money. The second product that was recommended to me was the Clarimoist Sebum Regulating Moisturizer. The major ingredients in this are tea tree oil, cinnamon bark extract, argan oil, sesame and also ginger root extract. Now all these ingredients have some amazing antioxidant and oil regulating properties. Now I love 2 things about this moisturizer a lot. Number 1 is it's a very light based texture, so it doesn't feel too heavy on your skin, and number 2 is that it does not make your skin look shiny at all, it mattifies it. And I love that because my skin is already oily and it shines, so I like moisturizers that make my skin mattified. The price point for this was rupees 435. And the final product that was recommended to me by the skin expert was the Derma Shade SPF 30 Sunblock. This comes in a spray bottle. So it's got like a spray bottle, which I thought was really cool. I've never used a sunblock that comes in a spray bottle. The major ingredients in this are pretty interesting ones. It's got tomato fruit extract, it's got aloe vera powder, pomegranate extract, vitamin C and something called trehalose as well. And all of these have properties like they prevent sun tanning, of course, skin damage and also premature skin aging. Plus the skin expert actually told me that I usually wear sunblock when I'm stepping out and I have spoken about that in my previous skincare videos as well, but she mentioned that because of overuse of laptops, mobile screens, the rays that come out from that can also be harmful to your skin. So you need to wear sunblock even when you're indoors, which is a new thing that I learned. So I am going to be putting it indoors as well as outdoors. The price point for this was rupees 575. Another super useful facility that Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals is offering is that they are delivering these products right at your doorstep from your nearest salon. So you don't have to spend time or waste time in stepping out and getting them for yourself. And the best part is that Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals is actually available in almost all salons across the country. So getting the products will not be an issue for you. So I'll quickly tell you guys how to book your consultation. There will be a link mentioned in the description box down below. So you click on that and book your virtual consultation. And once the products are recommended to you, you can place the order for them on the website itself. This also has a store locator, so you can find out which is the nearest salon that has these products for you, and they will deliver it to your doorstep. So that was it for my experience with Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. I hope you guys give it a try. The link is mentioned down below. Do tell me your feedback and experience if you do give the virtual consultation and their products a try. I also have an announcement to make. From 2021, I will be starting a new series called #Ishita Reviews, where I will be reviewing beauty related, skin related, makeup related products, and I want you guys to tell me which products you want me to try out. This will be starting in January 2021, so I'm super excited about it. And that's it for now. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, hit the like, share and subscribe button, and keep seeing more of me because I love you guys, and thank you so much for supporting. I'm gonna sign off now and see you guys in my next video.